Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the latest feature in Odoo 14, that is log quantities to consume in manufacturing. So if you open manufacturing module under configuration settings, under operations, there is a new feature, log quantities to consume. So this is used to prevent manufacturing users to modify quantities to consume. There is a field in when we are creating a manufacturing order, there is a field to consume. So that cannot be modified unless a manager has unlocked the document. So whenever manufacturing order is confirmed, the to consume field cannot be changed. So this only applies to manufacturing orders, not previously created ones. So I'm not enabling this option. Before that, let us see what we can how we can change the to consume field. So this we have chosen a product tabletop which has a component, a wood panel. So this is already a component that is given in the bill of material of this product, which has a quantity 2. Okay. So I am confirming this manufacturing order and I wish to change this field to consume. Let it be 3. Okay. And I can save this. So there is no issue. We can mark it as done and we can process the manufacturing. But if I am changing the settings, that is I'm enabling this option, and I'm coming back to manufacturing order, I'm creating a new order. Okay, you can select the same product. As we have given two quantities in the bill of material, it will be 2 itself. Okay. Now let us confirm this manufacturing order. And if I try to change this field, I cannot because we have locked that. We have used that feature to lock to consume field. So this is how this feature works in Odoo 14.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.